Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your tactician on the TFT or Teamfight Tactics game. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your Teamfight Tactics if you already have it downloaded. If you don't, you'll have to go and install it through the right client. And if you don't even have that, you can just go and open whatever browser you're using, then go to the URL section, simply type download right client, download League of Legends, or even download the TFT. All of those three will work for you. Will take you to the same link, which will download the right clients. Once it's downloaded, it should automatically be opened and download the game on it. If it doesn't do that, you can just go and open it manually. And once it's opened, you will find yourself at this home screen or this main screen. In this game sections, you'll find the game that's already installed into your PC. If you have TFT here, make sure to click on it to open it. If you don't, you'll have to scroll down a bit until this all games. Click at Teamfight Active from here. For me, I have play. You may have install. Click on it if you want to install it. You can install it in your PC through League of Legends. You can install it in your iPhone through App Store or through Google Play if you're using an Android. Choose whatever suits you. Once it's installed or download, you'll have to click on it to open it up. As I said, this will open the League of Legends if you are a PC user, and you'll ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, just go and log in into it. But if you don't, you'll have to go and create a new account on a browser. Back to your browser. If you don't have an account, type here create a Riot Games account, and that should create your account, and that will allow you to play all of their 5 games with the same account. So of course, once you created the account, just go and log in into it. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on a client like this. As we said, we would like to change the taxation, so simply you can just go in here and click at play, go into TFC, choose whatever mode here, it's not gonna matter, click at confirm, of course, and here you can actually go into your taxation. Click at taxation here and don't, if you have this enabled at show unknown, just go and remove it. From here, as you can see, you can change whatever taxation you want. So as an example, now I have this. I can just choose this if I want and click at equip, and my taxation will be changed as you can see here. Of course, if I want to change this again, just go and choose another one. So let's say this, 3-star, equip, and go back. And as you can see, my taxation is selected. So this was actually for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.